Hello, and welcome to another enlightening installment of Masterminds in Maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating world of maintenance and reliability. We'll explore the unique challenges faced by women in the industry and learn from the experiences of a seasoned professional. Our guest, Anna Goodman, is a reliability engineer with a rich and diverse career. From nuclear facilities to sugar and plastics industries, Anna's journey is sure to intrigue and inspire you. Now let's get started. Anna's journey began in the Midwest, where she grew up and attended college in Cincinnati, Ohio. Her career kicked off at a nuclear facility owned by Honeywell, where she was thrust into a politically charged environment due to a union lockout. This early experience was a deep dive into the complexities of the industry, involving hands-on roles during the lockout and later transitioning into process engineering roles. The Fukushima disaster brought significant changes to her role at the nuclear plant, leading to her move to a DuPont acquisition of a Danisco sugar plant. Here, Anna was pivotal in integrating legacy knowledge with new corporate policies, a challenging task that taught her the delicate balance of theory versus application in real-world settings. Seeking warmer climates, Anna transferred to a DuPont facility in Texas, where she expanded her expertise in reliability engineering. This role provided her with opportunities to gain certifications and explore failure analysis, further deepening her understanding of maintenance and reliability. Her career journey didn't stop there. Anna moved to a Taiwanese-owned company in Houston, where she juggled multiple roles, from reliability to project management. This role underscored the importance of teamwork and adapting to cultural differences in a global team setting. Today, Anna is with ARMS Reliability, focusing on consulting and strategy implementation, leveraging her extensive experience to enhance reliability practices across industries. One of the most compelling parts of our discussion revolves around the challenges of working in a male-dominated sector. Anna describes her experience as challenging yet rewarding, emphasizing the importance of patience, understanding, and effective communication to bridge gaps and foster a collaborative work environment. Anna also offers invaluable advice for women in the field and those considering a career in maintenance and reliability. She stresses the importance of compassion, attention to detail, and the courage to admit and learn from mistakes. These qualities, she notes, are crucial for building trust and creating a positive work environment. For those looking to connect with Anna and learn more about her journey and insights, she is active on LinkedIn and can be reached via email at agoodman@armsreliability.com. Anna's story is a powerful reminder of the importance of reliability, the challenges of working in a traditionally male-dominated field, and the potential for growth and impact in the maintenance and reliability industry. Her journey underscores the critical role of maintenance in ensuring safety, reducing surprises, and fostering teamwork across various sectors. Thank you for joining us in this enlightening conversation with Anna Goodman. We've explored the unique challenges faced by women in a male-dominated industry, the importance of reliability, and the potential for growth in the maintenance and reliability sector. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and reliability teams, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you for your time, and remember, keep prioritizing reliability and making a difference in your field.